Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. In my previous video I asked you guys which M&M mosaic we should do next. That was the Mario M&M mosaic. And winning by a landslide was Wolverine. This is a drawing I did a couple years ago. We're going to turn Wolverine into an M&M mosaic. And we're going to start that right now. Thank you for watching this M&M mosaic of Wolverine. This is part of an ongoing series here on the channel. I've left a card up above. Let me know who we should do next. My name is Kitslam. I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos and I'll see you in the next one.